So this is lesson number 2 of algebra, and in this lesson I will explain to you addition and subtraction. How to do addition and subtraction in algebra. So first I will explain to you what is coefficient, base and power or exponent. So suppose we have these numbers, so it is 8x square, right? So 8 is called the coefficient, x, right, whatever variable is here, x is the base. Instead of x you will see sometimes a, b, c, x, y, z, whatever. So this is called the base and this is called the power. So 8x square, 8 is coefficient, x is base, square is the exponent. Similarly here 5y cube, 5 is the coefficient, y is the base, 3 is the exponent or power. 6y square, 6 is the coefficient, y is the base and square 2 is the exponent, right? So here you can see is only minus x. If it is only one variable x, y, z, a, b, c, whatever, so it is understood that it has coefficient of 1. If someone asks you what is the coefficient of minus x, so you have to say 1. 1 is the coefficient. And there is no exponent, no power. It means the power or exponent is also 1. Right? So minus x means 1 coefficient, 1 exponent and x is the base. And here is x square. So square is the exponent, x is the base, but it again does not have any coefficient. So it means it is 1. It has 1 coefficient of 1. Right? So it is clear, I think. This is called the exponent or power. Variable is called the base and this number is called the coefficient. Now we will solve few questions to understand how to do addition and subtraction in algebra. So our first question is you have to add 2a plus 5a plus 3b plus 4b plus 3c plus 2c, right? So first you have to arrange in order. How you will arrange the numbers who has the same base, right? Same base. This is the base. I'm not saying same coefficient or same anything, same base. So it has a, so 2a plus 5a equal to 7a. Here is 3b plus 4b. So see, both have same sign, 3b plus 4b, so it will be 3 plus 4, 7b. And here is 3c plus 2c, both have the same size, same bases, right? So you have to add the numbers which have the same basis. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5c. And it is very simple because all numbers have the plus sign. Come to the second example. Here is 3b plus 2a plus 3c plus 5a plus 2c plus 4b you have to add. So first thing is you have to arrange in order. How you will arrange these numbers in order? So see, according to base, not according to coefficient, according to base. So this is the base. 2a, so this is 2a. I will highlight it, so at the end I will see that everything is okay. So this is 5a, so then is 5a, right? No more a's here. Then go to the 3b. So this is 3b and then here is the b as well. So we will bring it together. And then this is 3c, this is 2c we have to bring. So we have picked all numbers. Now we have to add. See, both have the plus sign. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7a. B B. We have to add with the same basis. So its coefficient is 3, its coefficient is 4, 7B. 3C plus 4C equal to 5C. See why I am not adding all these together, because they have different bases. We have to add these two, and these two. And again, all have the same plus positive sign. So it is very easy, you have to add. Go to the next question. 4a plus 3b minus 2a minus b plus 6c minus a. Now you have to add, and here you will notice that we have different sign. Some numbers have plus, some are minus or negative. So first thing is that we have to arrange, right? So this one is 4a, and then is minus 2a. See, you have to be very careful with the sign in algebra. You do not have to say 2a. No, what is the sign? Minus 2a. So minus 2a, and then this is minus a. All the bases, these three have the same basis, a. So I have put all these together. Then come to the b. This is 3b. So you have to say plus 3b minus b, and then plus 3c will go there. So we will add these two together. Why? Because they have same basis, b and b, and it is alone. So 4a, now we will simplify it. 4a, then minus 2a and minus a. It has no coefficient, it means the coefficient is 1. So both numbers have minus 2a, minus a. And see, I told you in the lesson number 1 rules that if you have two numbers and both have the same sign, minus, yes, you have to add. But sign will remain the same, minus. You do not have to make it plus. Why? Because we are doing addition and subtraction. We are not doing multiplication. So 4a minus 3a. Then plus 3b minus b plus 6c. And then again these two. This is minus 3a. This is plus 4a. Bases are same, but signs are opposite. This is plus, this is minus. So plus, minus, minus. Yes, you have to subtract 4a minus 3a. So only one a will be here. But what should be the sign? We will not write down here plus, minus, minus. No, we are doing plus and minus here. We are not doing multiplication. So in plus and negative questions, you have to write down the sign, which number is greater. So 4 is greater than minus 3a. So plus a. If you write down plus, that is fine. If you do not write down, that is fine also. It's understood that it is plus. Then plus 3b minus b. One has plus, one is minus. Yes, plus, minus, minus. 3 minus 1, 2b. But what sign will come? Whichever is greater. So 3 is bigger than 1. So we will write down plus 2b. Right? Why I am not writing down here minus? Plus, minus, minus. Yes. Why? Because the sign will change in multiplication and division. This is the addition and subtraction. And then plus 6c. Take another example. 6x plus 2y minus 3y plus 8z minus z minus 6x. First, you have to arrange in order according to the basis. So this is 6x, 6x. This is minus 6x. Do not say 6x. No, you have to use the sign in algebra minus 6x. Then plus 2y. Then minus 3y and 8z minus z. It's arranged. Now these two. One is plus 6x. One is minus 6x. Same coefficient, same basis. Suppose you have 6 candies and you give it to your friend. How many left? 0. So because this, it will cut up. Then 2y minus 3y. One is in plus, one is in minus. Plus, minus, minus. Yes, you have to subtract, but the sign you will use, what number is bigger? Minus 3 and 2. So 3 is bigger than 2. So we will write down minus y. Plus 8z minus z. So plus minus minus 8 minus 1. It does not have any coefficient. It means it is 1. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. But what sign will come up? Whichever is greater in these two. 8 is bigger than this. So 7z. Right? Two more examples with the exponent as well. Suppose 8x square plus 5y cube plus 6y square minus 3y cube minus x cube minus x square. It looks difficult, but it is very easy. First step is that you have to arrange in order. What is the order? According to the bases, right? And this exponent now. We have to arrange all these which have the same square. Base is this and the exponent is same. So 8x square, yes. And then which one is the square? This one. With sign. Minus x square. Then 5y cube plus 5y cube. And this is the cube. Right? In the last question, we do not have the exponent. Here we have the exponent. So no problem. You have to arrange according to the base and exponent. And then 6y square here minus x cube minus x cube. And they do not have any more x cube or square. So see, this x square, right? So we will plus and minus these together. 8x square is plus, this is minus. You have to subtract. 8 minus 1, its coefficient is 1. So 8 minus 1 equal to 7. Now you have to decide what sign will come. Which one is bigger, 8 or 1? Definitely 8. So 8 has a plus, so 7x square. Then plus, this is 5y cube minus 3y cube. See, this is cube. And this is square. So we will not add this together because its exponent is different. So 5y cube minus 3y cube. So this is plus, this is minus. Definitely you have to subtract 5 minus 3, 2. But what sign will come up? Whatever, 5 is bigger than 3. So plus 2, it has plus. So 2y cube. Plus 6y square, it does not have anything more here is square. So we will write down as it is. This is as it is. So this is the answer. This is the last example. Suppose we have minus 9a square plus 3b cube plus 3a square minus a square plus 3b cube plus 4b square. So the first thing is, again, you have to arrange in order according to the bases and the exponent. Same base and same exponent, you have to bring it together. So this is minus 9a square minus 9a square. Then where is the minus a square? This one. Minus a square. Same base, same exponent. Then this is also same. Plus 3a square. Same base, same exponent. Then is 3b cube. 3b cube. Plus 3b cube. Again, this is 3b cube. Plus 4b square. So see, same base, same exponent. These three we will add or subtract together. Then these same, and this is alone. So this is minus 9a square minus a square. Two numbers, but they have the same sign. And we are doing addition and subtraction. So what is the rule? Minus minus plus. Yes, plus. It will be 10a square, but the sign will be minus because this is addition and subtraction. Sign will remain the same. and then plus 3a square. Here is two numbers, 3b cube plus 3b cube, both have plus, so it will be 6b cube plus 4b square, 4b square, and then minus 10a square plus 3a square. One is same base square but different sign, so one is plus, one is minus. Definitely it will be subtracted, 10 minus 3, so it is 7, but what sign we will use? 10, because 10 is bigger than 3, so minus 7. And then 6b cube, it does not have anything more with the b square, so it will remain the same. So this is addition and subtraction. I hope everything is clear. One more thing, one more time I will explain to you that in addition and subtraction, if two numbers have plus sign, you have to add. If two numbers have minus, negative sign, you have to add, but the sign will remain minus. If one number is plus, one is minus, you have to subtract, but you have to write down the sign whichever is the larger number, right? And you do not have to do anything with the exponent. Just you have to add the coefficient. In plus and minus, you have to add the coefficient. This is 9 and this is 1, so it is 10. It will remain the same, x square, a square, a square. We are not making a4 or anything. The exponent will remain the same, base will remain the same. Only in addition and subtraction you have to add or subtract the coefficient, right? If still you have any question, please write down in the comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sci My Academy, and thanks for watching.